Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I will show you how I can add another account to Google Play Store. It's very simple. All we have to do is just simply go for the Play Store, then tap on the right upper corner, and here we have to tap on this arrow and click to add another account. Next we have to use verification method. For example, in my case it's fingerprint sensor. And next we have to use our email. Click next. Tap on the poll and type our password. If you input your password, you have to click next on the right bottom corner, then go for agree. And as you can see, after a few moments we are able to switch between the accounts on our Play Store. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.